Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that, lady, you're beneath me because you swallowed your own vomit. You went back and you befriended the persons that talk negative of your own daughters. He said that he loves his family and he would have never befriended anyone who spoke negatively about his family. So he's saying that they're beneath him, and anyone, on social media that act in that way, they're beneath him. So just go ahead and, check out this video, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Also, there's membership available if you need. You could go ahead and sign up, and I'll be dropping a book and also some different stuff soon. So go ahead and watch the video. Thank you.
Or just shy for however you want to pronounce it, right? You are beneath me, respectfully. I say this with no apology. Play this on your life. This live, I'm not going to delete. I refuse to delete this one. The one I did just now, that sounded a little bit distasteful. So what did I do? I deleted it. Do you understand? Let me say to you, you are beneath me, respectfully. Anyone who meets them in our chapter, I will never go back and try and befriend them because I want to be on the same team as them. Look at you. You did exactly that. The same people who disgraced your daughters. Imagine me having children, and someone disgraced them. I wouldn't even utter their names or page names out of my mouth. That is how serious I take my family. I love my family that much. Trust me, no amount of money I could make on social media, no amount of money could make me call these people's names in my mouth. You yourself have swallowed your own vomit. You have. You perhaps haven't seen it, but trust me, you have. Look at how people disgraced your swati daughters on social media, and you have the audacity, the nerve to call their names as if you're bigging them up. What kind of disgrace is happening on social media? Lady, I am above all of you. All of you who befriended people who spoke negatively of you, you're all beneath me, respectfully. I say this with no apology either. So hear what? You continue to have your fun, just know that my mother, Mubin Daly, the one you think you are trying to speak negatively on, trust me, she's living way better than all of the people you are trying to affiliate yourselves with. Do you understand? And never in her life, she was never no hurry come up. My mother worked tirelessly, so hard and diligently to get to where she is. And none of you on here is going to take away that from her or her family. Do you understand? Anyone who says they will never look after the person who gave them birth, the person who carried them in their womb for 9 months, knowing damn well this lady could have had an abortion, or maybe abortion wasn't around in her time, won't mind that person, can't stand me. I'm very sorry. So hear what, sweetie pie, hear what, hear me well. Hear bad girl Duisha and hear me very well too. You are going to stay over there, continue to eat your vomit while I stay over here and do my thing. Do you understand? You see how long it took me to come out on you? Very long. Why? Because you are beneath me. I only felt, I felt it was the right time now to say something. But however, moving forward, madam, you over there, over the fence, who has to kiss people's behind to get a few cash apps here and there, hear me and hear me well. I refuse to go back and forth. Do you understand? Look at me. I'm glowing, right? I'm glowing. I look amazing, and nothing and you know your followers say about me. Listen, a lot of them, perhaps if they didn't see me as a Batman, they would have want me to. They would want me. They would want me. They would want me. A lot of them perhaps want me now, but because they think I'm a Batman or they say I'm a Batman, perhaps that's why they're not looking in my direction. But that's okay. That is okay. Do you understand? Just know me. One thing with me, I will never come on social media looking like no, even if my hair is unkept or whatever. Trust me, when I'm ready, I put myself together. Understand? You can't stand me. You really can't. Anyone who comes on here and beg cannot stand me. And this is my final response to you. You are going to stay there. You're going to stay over there and go on with yourself, right? I have an image to maintain and character to also maintain as well. We are not going to go down there like no market girls, because I'm on thing. Even though I'm saying a bad girl doisha, I have taste. I also have class. Do you understand? I have taste and I have class. Do you understand? So hear what? You stay over there, and wallow in your own shite. Do you understand? Me and you, we are not going to go back and forth as if to say we are taking the same men. Do you understand? Or me and you are having sex with the same people. Do you understand? I don't go back and forth with people I deem as beneath me. And I must say categorically again, you are beneath me. Understand? Dwayne, stop going back and forth. Yes, that's Barbisha. I've just come to that. Listen, I just had an epiphany. This is what she wants. This is what they all want. This is what all of them want. Distraction. Not on my watch, darling. You stay over there and continue to be distracted on your own. You over there, continue to stay over there and do your worst. Do your worst. Do you understand? This live will be saved on my page for your perusal at your own leisure. You hear me using words I'm very sure you don't know the definition of perusal. Google it. Peruse this live at your own leisure. Do you understand? I don't go back and forth with people I deem as beneath me. Yes, I entertained you for a minute or two, but the buck stops right here. John Isidori, I would encourage you to go right back over there. I saw you made John Isidori. I see you just joined my live. I see you made a comment saying I was a go-go at Majesty's Club. I would love for Majesty to come out and say if I was. Listen, one thing I wouldn't do. There are jobs in the world I wouldn't do, and one of those is in that category. Me, I would never sell my body, nor would I take my clothes off to make a buck, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Do you understand, John Isidori? Understood? I hope I'm making sense. Now go back and tell Majesty to come out and say I was a go-go at his club. I would love to hear him say that himself. Let me hear him say that himself. Do you understand? One thing with me, there are jobs in this world I would